Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Mina, a girl with Asperger and mental illness. I love to clean and I don't think that trash belongs in the nature. This is kind of a part 2 from my last video. I was cleaning this place but didn't have enough energy or bags to clean it all. So this is when I came back the next day to finish it. And it was a lot of trash to pick up. A lot of small pieces, so you can tell that certain items here have been here a long time. That's when they turn into these small pieces, and they are the worst to pick up. It feels like it takes forever and you just stay in the same place, and it's like thousands of small pieces. But I still do my best to pick it all up. When it comes to cleaning, I actually would love to make other kinds of cleaning content, like the kind of free cleanings that you see Midwest Magic Cleaning and Auri Katarina do. They are some of my favorite channels on YouTube. I watch every video they upload. But unfortunately, I can't make that kind of content, at least not on my own. I have rheumatism, so it's not the best idea to do too much at once, because that brings me pain. So cleaning in the nature is more my level. I do it on my own conditions. I simply do it when I have the time and energy and ain't in pain, or at least too much pain. I only need gloves, bags, and my trashy thing picker thing that you see. Here we have glass on the road, but since there are traffic, I'm not going to pick it up. But at least the cars aren't going that close, so it's not. They're not going to drive on it. I'm sure of that. But yeah, those kinds of house cleanings that I was mentioning. It looks so much fun. Just imagine to deal with a big dirty house and you pick up all the trash and you clean it and you do all these kinds of things, and oh, I would love to do that, that kinds of videos. But as I said, I have my diseases. I just have to accept the fact that I can't do it on my own. I wouldn't be able to do it. I get easily tired. It's even when I clean my own home and it's not really dirty. It's like regular dirt, dust, and you need to clean the bathroom, do that kinds of things. And doing that for a couple of hours makes me exhausted. So yeah, I can't do that other kinds of houses, but that would be my dream. I've actually been thinking that if I didn't have all the illness that I have, I would actually start a cleaning company. I would do regular house cleanings, but also when it comes to hoarder houses or things like that. That's the kind of thing that I would do if I weren't sick. But yeah, you can't help it. If you're sick, you are sick. And you just have to realize that and accept it. You can make new dreams instead. Oh, Lindt. One of my favorite chocolates. Oh my god. But it belongs in the bag. But even though I can't make that the big house cleanings, at least what I'm doing is really important as well. Because I'm picking up things that don't belong in the nature and that causes damage both to nature, animals, and whatever. that plastic bag was really stuck there. Poor plant. I had to go a little harsh on it, but I hope it survived. At least it's plastic free now. This place that I'm cleaning is a road that I've been walking several times. I've seen all the trash and I'm thinking that I really want to clean this place. So I was so happy that I could finally do it. I went here. This video was recorded the day after Midsummer's Day. So it's a couple of weeks ago that I recorded this. I didn't edit or upload it until now in July, like a month later. But you know how it is. Pain, illness, been busy with other things. But at least the video is here now, so I'm going to try my best to record and upload one video a week. That's at least what I was planning from the beginning. For as long as it's possible to go out and do these kinds of cleanings in Sweden, where I live. This is another one of those little odd items that I occasionally find outside, like this locker. No key, so no need to save it. Makes you wonder how it ended up there. That's something that I occasionally think about when I clean. It's how do these items end up where they end up? And then I'm thinking about little scenarios about how it happens. The people that had purchased this item, did they throw it? Did they drop it by accident? Was it a child? And that locker, was it like a thief maybe? That has stolen something and that locker was actually evidence? Who knows? So I can come up with these small stories. I think you can tell that I'm a writer, right? That's one of the things that I do. I just come up with stories so easily. But fortunately, I can also just drop most of the stories that I come up with immediately, thinking this won't be a good novel, it won't be a good short story. It's good in my head for a little while, something to think about. I am not taking many steps between the different trash that I pick up. As I said, I've been walking here for quite some time thinking that, I want to clean this place because there's so much. And I probably could have found even more if I just had been looking a little bit more closely. But at least I picked up everything that I did see. I am always wearing sunglasses, and when you do that, you see the world in with little different colors, so it makes it a little easier to miss trash. But I need my sunglasses because I think that's an autism thing. I am extremely sensitive to bright light. So when I go out in the sun, even though it's not really sunny when I film this, it's still light enough to hurt my eyes. It's an actual pain. It's not just, oh, it feels a little weird. It's actual pain. Doing some climbing here to get that trash, yeah. And that was almost a complete boyfriend reveal. You saw that, just missing his head. He's so cute and nice. He's doing everything for me. I try to do everything for him, but just the thing that he follows me on my trash journeys and that he patiently waits for me while picking up everything. It's not every guy would do that. And even if he is bored, he doesn't tell me. But he supports me. He thinks I'm doing a good thing. And yeah, so he's the best. And once again, it's just so many tiny pieces here. So yeah, I'll speed it up. It gets a little boring after a while, but yeah. So many tiny pieces to pick up. So I'm still thinking a little bit about these house cleanings. I'm just thinking about it. I don't really have that much to say, I think, more than that I would love to do it. Oh, it looks so fun, so satisfying. So yeah, I really like to watch that kinds of videos. And I also watch videos where they do stuff outdoor. One of my favorite is it's a British channel. Oh, I wish I knew what it was called. I just remember another one. It's called SB Mowing. So he's like mowing lawns and fixing up places where no one lives. So it's houses that's where no one lives, and he makes it look good. But I also think it's a shame that he mows the lawns, the grass, I think too short. And sometimes I also think that it takes away too much. Like, why are you taking away cutting that tree? Why don't you leave the trees? Why don't you leave these? And sometimes I can think that it looks a little empty afterwards. But I still enjoy the videos. It's looking better afterwards. Here I'm climbing. Oh, again, you see, I am so high up. I'm even risking my life here to pick up the trash. I'm so high up and it's so steep. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh, I'm brave. A true hero. I could have broken my legs and arms doing that, but I did it. I'm so good. I'm trying to remember what that other channel is called. The British one. Well, it's really good because he also, cut grass and cleans and that kinds of stuff. But in one way, SB Mowing, that's an American channel, and apparently The grass is supposed to be really short and the lawns a little empty in America. No offense, but that's how it looks like, at least in his videos. While in United Kingdom, it's more life. It's way more flowers and trees and bushes, and the houses look so cozy and nice. So the end result is more satisfying for me. And it reminds me more of how it looks in Sweden. As you can see here, there are certain places where they just leave it to grow. The grass and flowers. So I live in a very green town. They maybe cut this place once or twice every summer, and the rest of the time it's just growing. Well, if I remember to my next video, I will look up that British channel, because I think you should look at it. He deserves every subscriber for what he's doing. It's like with the others that I have mentioned in this video, they all do it for free, just like I'm doing this for free. And it's really, really nice to see what these people are doing for others, for the community, just to make it look good and to help people in need. I am doing this for the community and to make it look good. So I'm doing it for other people. I'm doing it for the safety of animals, so they don't hurt themselves, like on glass, on other stuff, or get stuck, or don't eat things that they aren't supposed to eat. I think everyone should do what they can do for the environment, and if not throwing trash in the nature is all that you can do, then that's the best. That's amazing. That's actually all you need to do. Don't throw the trash in the nature. Bring it home or put it in a trash bin. That's all you need to do. Because if we all did that, we wouldn't need people to pick up trash like this. And it would be much better for everyone, both humans and animals. Of course, I can understand that in some cases, especially when it comes to children, they are too young to understand the consequences. So if they throw stuff and the parents don't see it, that's quite understandable. But most of these items that I do pick up are like, children have not thrown this. They have not thrown a locker, they have not thrown these chocolate bars, because now we're talking about like toddlers that aren't eating chocolate yet. There's a lot of cigarettes, packaging from nicotine products. In Sweden we have a lot of snus. So people are having that snus in their mouths, and when they're done with it, it's ending on the ground, like cigarettes. One good thing is that you hardly see chewing gum on the streets. I actually think that there were more chewing gum on the streets earlier, like 10-20 years ago, than it is now. People have moved on from gums to cigarettes. It feels like that. I don't know. So here is a snus packaging. And, well, children don't throw it. It's grown-ups. It's like, why can't I remember that name? It's like something like partridge something. Yeah. And he's always saying the same thing in the beginning. Let's stop. What does he say? Let's stop. Like something talking. Let's start cracking. He's so British. I love that. It's like United Kingdom, and Sweden have so much in common. In Sweden, we love their TV shows and the sense of humor. We love their gardens. It's like, why wouldn't we love it? It's all amazing. And then the Scottish accent. It may be the sexiest accent in the world. Honestly, it's I wouldn't mind having a Scottish guy talking Scottish. But yeah, I don't need that because I already have a boyfriend for 18 years. So I don't want to replace him. As I said in my last video, I don't even want to replace him with cats. So I found my life ball. My life bun. Yes. I should call him that, my life bun. But in Swedish then. Livsbulle. I think it's called Partridge någonting. Something. Oh. I just said something in Swedish. This is the second time that I find a lottery ticket in my videos this summer. I actually found a third one, but I was not cleaning then. So 3 tickets this summer, just laying around, but no win. Is it called like Partridge Cleaning Service? Let's say it. Just search on Partridge and maybe you find it. Just look it up. I really love what he's doing in his videos. These are good. I have to show it off. We have so much yummy stuff in Sweden. When chocolate and pastries. Like if you, they say that like they are really unhealthy in United Kingdom and America and so, but geez, we have so much in Sweden. I think we are when it comes to eating chocolate, I think Sweden is in second place or something, so we eat a lot of chocolate. We love it. I think it's like Switzerland was number one or something. So if you visit Sweden, just try it. Try everything. If you see like, oh, this is a kind of chocolate that we don't have in my country, then just eat it. You will probably love it. And our pastries is just amazing as well. I've seen videos where people come to Sweden and they just like semla. Just eat it. Just try it. I'm not the biggest fan of semla, but I can still understand that people love it. But we have so much to try. But yeah, even though we have a lot of these kinds of things and we do eat a lot chocolate and there's a lot of fika, we are still kind of healthy, exercising a lot, going to the gym, taking walks, running, jogging, doing everything that we can to stay healthy. And so I'm a little chubby, to say the least, but but that's because of all my illnesses. But that's why this is a really good thing, that I can do this. It gets me exercise and I get to do something that I really like. Yeah, now I'm picking up some things that you could tell has been there for a long time. It's just falling apart while touching it. So, well, that's the end of this video. I filled 2 bags with a lot of trash. It was really fun doing this. So please like this video, comment and follow me. I would love that. Goodbye.